Solar PV water pump. It is a solar powered water pump with an electric motor run by electricity generated from solar radiations by photovoltaic panel. Photovoltaic panel converts solar energy into DC electricity, hence a DC motor is required to operate solar PV water pump. The AC motor can also be used to run the solar PV water pump. However, DC current is converted to alternating current, that is AC current, using an inverter which is more complex and costlier. The solar PV water pump is used to provide fresh water for different purposes such as domestic use, industry, agriculture, livestock and fish pond, etc. Basically, with the help of solar panel, we are creating and generating the electricity. With that electricity, we are running the solar motor pump, and by using the solar motor pump, we are taking out the water from the well or the pond. From that well or the pond, we are extracting the water and we are supplying to the various applications. So with the help of green energy, we can satisfy our purposes. One by one, we will going to see what are the basic applications of solar PV water pumps are there. Basically, this is a major diagram that it look like this. The solar PV water pump, here the solar panel were mounted over a pole. With the help of solar panel, whenever a sun rays are falling over a panel, it creates an electricity. It generates an electricity by absorbing the photons of a sun rays, and these photons were converted to the electricity. This electricity is generated by the electrons which are present in the semiconductor. The flow of electron, or due to the flow of electron, the DC electricity is getting generated from the solar panel. This DC electricity is given to the pump motor controller. The pump controller basically controls the speed of a motor, and according to that, the water is getting extracted from the well. Basically, we are using the submersible pump, rather the surface pump also varies as per the requirement of the consumer. So likewise, with the help of green energy, we can extract the water from the well and we can use for various purposes. Solar pump for domestic water supply. The solar pumps are suitable for pumps small quantity of water. Thus, it is best suited for villages as well as domestic water supply. Groundwater is good source of green energy which is used for different purposes, especially for drinking in the villages. The reliability of regular supply of clean water in remote and rural areas can be ensured by using the solar PV water pump. When the water is pumped by the solar pump, the cost of the water is very less as compared to the other water pumps methods. Example, that is a diesel pump or the electrical pump. In most of the cases, when we are supplying the water for the drinking purposes, that time we can extract the water from the well with the help of solar submersible pump. So with the help of solar energy, that is a green energy, we can find our purposes to be easy. In other applications, we can use in the diesel pump also or electrical pump also, but the cost of operating of diesel pump or electrical pump is somewhat higher comparing to the solar pump. So therefore, for domestic water supply, we mostly use the solar water pump. This is a diagram has been given over here. With the help of the solar panel, with the help of pump controller, we are extracting the water from the well and it is stored in the drinking water tank basically. And from this tank, it is given to the domestic water supply. Solar pump for irrigation. Water is the basic necessity for crop production. That is, irrigation is an important input for agriculture. Irrigation at right stage or this time to the crop is important, otherwise the crop yield will drastically be going to get decrease. Hence, continuous water supply is required for sustainable agriculture production. Solar PV water pumping system is a viable solution to provide regular water supply for irrigation, especially in remote locations where a steady electricity supply or fuel supply is problematic. As we know, in most of the countries basically the water is provided for the crops, that is a irrigation purpose. There are types of irrigations were available, that is a sprinkle irrigation, drip irrigation, or various types of irrigation. To provide a water at a particular time to the crop, it is very much important, but due to the load shedding of electricity by the utility grid or due to the less fuel supply, it is very difficult to provide a regular water in the crop field basically. So therefore, in the most of the cases, people are using the solar water pump, so that with the help of the green energy, the water is getting extracted or pumped with the help of the submersible pump, and the water is given to the irrigation purposes. We can use the battery also, so that at night time also, whenever it is been required, we can give the water to the crop. Such a pumps most of the times the people were using. With the help of the solar panel, the water is getting extracted from this borehole and it is given to the crop field. Solar pump for livestock. Livestock rearing is one of the important activity in the rural areas. Regular water supply is required for drinking, bathing of livestock, etc. Use of PV water pumps in livestock farms can be one of the alternative for regular water supply, which is gaining prominence especially in off-grid areas. In most of the cases for livestock rearing, the people were preferring to use the solar water pump. This is a basic diagram at a green field at the irrigation purposes. In most of the times at the outfield of the villages, the electricity supply is not getting provided by the utility grid, so the solar water pump is the best solution for this case. Solar water pump for aquaculture and fishing. Power aeration pumps are used in commercial fish and shrimp farms. It helps in increasing oxygen level, which contributes significantly to productivity. Most of the farms located in the remote offshore locations use conventional energy sources like diesel generator and grid supply. These energy sources are costlier and present an ecological hazard, especially close to vulnerable aquatic ecosystem. For small applications, aeration pumps PV can be an economic solution. For higher energy consumption application, solar PV diesel hybrid system can be an option. In most of the cases for aquaculture basically, the solar water pump is the best solution for or to replace the grid electricity. We can give the power to the aeration pump. With the help of this aeration pump, it circulates an air and circulates in water also through the pond which is provided for fishing, and due to which the productivity is going to get increased.